Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to see your drafts in the RedNote app on your iPhone. So if you've been saving videos on the RedNote app and you don't know where to see it, then let me show you how to find it on your RedNote app using your iPhone. So before we begin, first go to your app store. You want to search for RedNote and you want to make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Now, once that's updated, let's go ahead and open the app. Now in the app, you come to the home screen. To see the drafts, go ahead and tap on these three lines here at the top left. From this list, go ahead and tap on drafts. And now as you can see, there are two drafts which I have saved before, and you'll be able to see your drafts. Down below, this will tell you how long ago you saved that draft. So this was 3 minutes ago, and this was just right now. So as it reads, your drafts will be removed once you delete the app. So just make sure that you don't delete the app, because if you delete the app, all your drafts will go from here. And there you go, guys. That is how to see all your drafts in the RedNote app. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.